guys, and I just got back out of the store and I got an L.O.L doll. It's season 2, wave 2, and this is what it looks like. And let me just open it. It's hard. Now I'm opening it. Oh, came right out. Future Star. So I got Future Star. I'm just wrapping this. It's a golden ball. Look, guys, it's golden ball. That means that I got one of the glitter Roddies. Awesome. This is like my third little sister, and I got it. It's ugly. I'm going to get this open. Okay, I opened it. You're gonna start the little baby. Baby. Little spots on it. Buddy. Let's see what it is. Oh my God. Oh, she's so cute. Look, guys, she's so cute and she's so glittery. That's so cute, guys, right? So cute. Okay, so now let me just see what the rest is. Ooh, this is like... Oh, I think it kills her bag. This is a big bag. Her bag got squished. Let's put her inside of the little bag for a big sissy. I think her big sister is Merbaby. So her big sister might be Merbaby and I don't have Merbaby. A necklace. Oh, it's a little necklace. Guys, look at how cute this necklace is. It's pink. I just put it on my finger. Tiny. Can you see that, guys? Okay. That's a little tiny necklace. I put it on the little girl. It's not popping off. Yay! I know! And it's just her keychain. Okay, guys. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. And please like and subscribe to my channel.